Amazon Echo Buds 2. With its second-generation true wireless, Amazon is attempting to improve things, but we'll have to wait and see before we get our hands on them, as no UK release date has been released. Here's everything you need to know about Amazon's all-new Echo Buds if you're looking to upgrade from the original. The price of the original Echo Buds was $129.99, £119.99. The basic version of the second-generation Echo Buds costs $119.99, while the version with the wireless charging case costs $139.99. Bose's advanced technology helped make the true wireless design ideal. Sound isolation didn't reduce it, it simply reduced the amount of noise. To the latest Echo Buds, the active noise cancellation makes them one of the less expensive sets on the market. Before we get a chance to judge the noise cancellation power, we will have to see how effective it is. The pass-through audio feature remains intact to capture environmental sounds. 5 hours with the earbuds, 15 with the case that can be stretched to 6.5, and 19 hours if the Alexa wake word recognition is turned off. Charging up time for another 15 minutes will now give you 2 hours. It's noteworthy that the original model didn't include a USB-C cable. The new Echo Buds work nicely with Siri and Google Assistant if they are the only digital assistant on your gadget. Sweat resistance is the same against rain and sweat. For running and workouts they would be an excellent candidate. Playback is also pauses when the earbuds are removed and restarts when they're inserted. We guess that the audio quality is limited to AAC and SBC. We're hoping for better sound quality in the Echo Buds 2. The bass in this earphone is quite deep and clear and has a better focus. We hope this is correct given the bass treble and dynamics.